The speakers come with a 5.0 Bluetooth technology and a 30-watt powerful audio for a bigger and better sound. Portronics has launched SoundDrum L, a portable wireless speakers. The SoundDrum L is available at a discounted price of Rs 3,599 on all leading online and offline stores. The speakers come with a 5.0 Bluetooth technology and a 30-watt powerful audio for a bigger and better sound. For additional connectivity, the speakers also comes with a 3.5 mm aux and a pendrive port for a non-Bluetooth options. SoundDrum L is crafted in an iconic cylindrical form, designed to give the users an immersive 360-degree sound experience that reaches every corner and every direction. It also comes with a unique equalizer button that lets the user control the level of bass and treble. One just needs to simply tap the equalizer button to enhance the bass and tap it again to enhance the treble, delivering a great sound that's loud, crisp, and full of bass. Perfect for traveling parties and even work conferences. The Portronics SoundDrum L is ultra compact and lightweight. The small size also comes with a long-lasting 6-hour battery. The wireless speakers comes with a IPX6 rating, hence it doesn't shy away from water and is dust resistant. It is a speaker that pairs with another for houses party. The SoundDrum L lets you connect and combine the sound with another of the same speakers. Using Bluetooth technology for intense, one can simply ask a friend to bring in another SoundDrum L and create a truly wireless experience with even bigger and better sound. So that's all for the day, guys. If you find this video relatively helpful for you, so hit the like button. Thank you very much, guys. Stay with us.